Dear students, under the topic vector differentiation, here we have result 16. This result is one of the significant problems under examination point of view. Nebula square of log r is equal to 1 by r. Nebula square is the Laplacian operator. When it is operated on log r, we get the result to be 1 by r square. We shall now prove this result. In order to prove this result, first we shall consider the left hand side, that is nebula square of log r. This can be written as nebula dot product with nebula log r. So this is equal to nebula dot nebula log r. So first we shall find nebula log r. To find nebula log r, we will be making use of the formula which we have learned previously, that is nebula f of r, which is equal to f dash of r multiplied with r cap. Now if you see here, f of r is equal to log r. So what will be f dash of r? It will be equal to 1 by r. So we have to proceed this by making this substitution. So nebula log r will be equal to, that is nebula log r. So at the place of f of r, we are having log r. So f dash of r multiplied with r cap. What is f dash of r? 1 by r. So 1 by r multiplied with r cap. What is r cap? As per the vector calculus, we know that r cap is equal to r vector divided by modulus of r, which is r. So we are going to make use of this over here. So this will be equal to 1 by r multiplied with r vector by r. So it becomes r vector divided by r square. So we have found what is a nebula log r. We shall make this substitution over here. So therefore, when we substitute, this turns out to be, so nebula square log r is equal to nebula dot, what is nebula log r? We have found it to be r vector divided by r square. So r vector divided by r square. That is, it is equal to nebula dot product with 1 by r square multiplied with r vector. Why I am writing this in this way is because we are now going to make use of another formula that we have learned under vector differentiation. The formula is nebula dot phi a vector. This is equal to, so what is nebula dot phi a vector? It is equal to nebula phi dot product with a vector plus phi multiplied with nebula dot a vector. Now while comparing this and this, we see that the value of phi will be taken as 1 by r square. So this is phi. This is a vector. So a vector is r vector. So making use of these two in this formula, we obtain this one, that is nebula square log r. This was equal to this one, and for this we are going to make use of this formula that we have given. So it will be nebula phi. What is phi? 1 by r square. So nebula 1 by r square dot product with a vector, that is r vector, plus, so this is nebula 1 by r square dot product with r vector plus phi is 1 by r square multiplied with nebula dot a vector, which is r vector. So now in vector differentiation, we already saw that nebula dot r vector is equal to 3. We have derived this result previously, so we are going to make use of that over here. And what about nebula 1 by r square? For this, again we are going to make use of this result, that is nebula f of r is equal to f dash of r multiplied with r cap. Now at the place of f of r, we are having, this is f of r, 1 by r square. So when we apply the result, it will be equal to, we know that nebula f of r is f dash of r multiplied with r cap. So now here f of r will be equal to 1 by r square. What will be f dash of r? Differentiation of this. That is, this can be written as r to the power minus 2. What is the differentiation of r power minus 2? Minus 2 r to the power minus 3. That is, it is equal to minus 2 by r cube. So we shall write this. So f dash of r, so that will be minus 2 by r cube multiplied with r cap dot product with this r vector. So after applying formula for this, we are taking the dot product with r vector plus, just now we saw that nebula dot r vector is 3. So this can be written as 3 multiplied with 1 by r square. So that is equal to, now we know that r cap is equal to what? R cap is equal to r vector divided by r. So we shall make use of this over here now. So minus 2 by r cube. So r cap can be written as r vector by r dot product with r vector plus 3 divided by r square. Now what is r vector dot r vector? It is equal to r square. So this now we shall make use of over here. So this will be equal to minus 2 by r cube. R vector dot r vector is r square divided by this r plus 3 by r square. Now here if you see, one r square gets cancelled and we will have one r over here. So this will be equal to minus 2 by, this r into r will be r square plus 3 by r square. Now if you take the LCM, it will be equal to r square, and in the numerator we will have 3 minus 2, and that will be equal to 1 by r square. Therefore we have proved that nebula square of log r is equal to 1 by r square. Hence we have proved the required result. So this result is one of the significant problem under examination point of view. So kindly go through it patiently. Hope you have understood this result. Kindly follow the next video lecture for result 17. Thank you.